Today I'm unboxing something, but you know what? It's not a new item. It is something I purchased on eBay from Vanson Leathers, but it's also not made of leather. Surprises abound. This is actually going to be a Vanson Stormer Trials waxed canvas jacket. And I've been really looking forward to trying this style for a while, and I honestly can't be happier to say that I'm doing this unboxing video right now. So waxed canvas is obviously a material that has kind of exploded in the heritage menswear scene in the last several years. You can find lots of people making jackets out of this material. I think one that really comes to mind is the Rogue Territory supply jacket. It was worn by James Bond and kind of became this sensation. However, it's a material with a lot of history behind it, and it was used for motorcycle jackets for quite some time, like the Belstaff Trialmaster and the Barbour International are both waxed canvas motorcycle jackets. And they have a long history in field and sport and hardy outdoor use. And even sailors with their oilcloth, it's just a material that's been around for a long time. Vanson has a take on these motorcycle styles, obviously, with it being Vanson. Let's get into opening this box from eBay. All right, let's say open sesame, friends. Across the top. And I gotta say, just because it's from eBay doesn't mean you can't be excited about it. I know so much of what I have bought is secondhand, and there's nothing wrong with buying secondhand, in my opinion. It's the best way to keep your prices down and to make sure that things just don't go to the landfill or stay unused in the closet. Sad situation. Here we go. Oh, you can hear that hardware. They got some snaps going on. This is a partially lined jacket, just this little part here in the interior. There we go, first look out of the box. Let's change our angle. All right, so here we have the jacket held up. It features this kind of pocket configuration with these big flap ruby cargo pockets, and then one here that's angled. It's intended to be easy to reach into while you're in the riding position on a motorcycle. There's always some interesting things in the pockets on used items. I just reached in and found a Ducati patch that was never applied by the previous owner. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Nothing in there. I thought I heard something, but it's actually just the snaps rattling against themselves. And does this jacket have interior pockets? I cannot remember. No, no interior pockets. So aside from the front, which has just this plethora of pockets, as you can see, 4 big pockets, there are no other pockets, and the back is rather simple. Just a clean back with no action back or anything like that. It's going to be probably a slightly roomy fit. It does have this buckle closure for the collar, which I think is pretty sweet. And it has a lining with one of Vanson's leathers. I think this might be the Zirconin Smooth. It's a little bit lighter than their competition weight leather. Let's put this bad boy on. I know the sleeves are going to be long. It's just like inevitable with a Vanson jacket. A little bit of fraying here. Not something you'd expect to find on a new jacket, but I got this one at quite a discount buying used. It's got a double zip, which I forgot to mention. And of course, pretty standard as you'd expect. Really heavy duty hardware. Let us see how we do. Oh, interesting. The zipper has this little cover that can be moved over. Nice. Really thoughtful design. Man, Vanson knows what they're doing. Sometimes getting that one over the belly is tough. Okay, and we can actually button these. Wonder how No zips, just snaps on the wrists. Oh, that one's already snapped. All right. Let's button down some of these pockets, huh? We don't need all those flapping around. I guess they just forgot their little Ducati in there, or maybe it was a little gift to me, the new owner. And there we have it. Come on now. I'm gonna insert some pictures in here probably. Sweet jacket. The wax is relatively light, and you know, they said this jacket wasn't heavily used, and it really doesn't feel to be heavily used. I paid $135 plus shipping and tax, and this jacket I think goes for $550. So maybe a $350 discount by buying used and being patient, being very patient. It took a long time. Might have to give it a little brush down. There were a few stray hairs on the jacket. What do you think? Have you considered a wax canvas jacket of any kind? Specifically one from Vanson? Because I have. And if so, what do you think? I really am surprised that this is here. I was not expecting this little cover. It works surprisingly well to cover the zipper. And it's one of those things that is just a really thoughtful design element. Thank you for watching.